Hey everybody, now that we've installed WordPress on our server, we want to go to the URL that we picked, and we want to visit our site. So we go to www. Whatever your site was. Mine is on my system, systems.com/workteam. Now yours is just going to be whatever your website is called /WordPress. So if your website is called Superman, you're going to go to www.superman.com/WordPress. I made mine a little more complicated, and I'm going to go /WordPress. And then you push enter. So if your website's Superman, you go to superman.com/WordPress. If your website is fly on the wall, you're going to go to www.flyonthewall.com/WordPress. Whatever your website name is /WordPress, and then you just want to push enter. Now once you get here, you'll see the screen. It'll say welcome, blah 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 blah. You just want to type in the name of your team. I'm just going to type in my team site. Your email address, type in my email address, and then you click this to allow your blog to be shown in search engines like Google. I don't want mine to be shown, but you probably will. And then you copy the password that it's going to give you right here to your clipboard. Copy, and just remember that that's named admin. Make sure you copy this because it's just a randomly generated password that you don't want to forget. Then push login, and then you type in up here admin as your username, and then you paste the password down here. Push login, and now you'll see the back office of your site. Now the first thing you want to do is change your password from that weird randomly generated password to whatever password you want it to be. So what you want to do is you'll see this red box up here, and you just want to click yes, take me to my profile page. It'll take you to the bottom, and you'll see over here it'll say new password. You just want to type in the password that you want twice. You want to push update profile down there. Alright, so now once you visit your site, you push this button up here, it'll say visit site. Your site will not look like this. Your site will look very broken because there's a few things we have to do to set it up so that it can look nice. Your site will probably not have this computer right here and these words over here. So don't be alarmed. This is the way all of the sites looked at first. I'm just going to take you through the steps that will get your site looking beautiful again. So let's hit the back button. Let's go back to our back office. Actually, let's visit site again. I'm going to show you how to get to your back office whenever you're not there. Just go to your website homepage, and then once you're at your team site homepage, you want to type in at the end of the address bar wp-admin. Push enter, and that will take you to your back office. Okay, so now once you're here, in order to get your site looking nice again, you want to come down here to appearance, or not appearance. Yes. I think it is appearance. No. It's settings. Come down here to the very bottom of the left column, and you'll see settings. You'll say click on reading. Then your checkbox right here will be checked at your latest post. You want to check a static page, so check the bottom one. And then from here, you want to click about. I don't have that because I've already changed mine. But front page, click about. Okay, and then you want to push save changes. And ta-da, now you want to come over here to pages, and this is how you add and edit new pages to your site. I want to click edit. You will have a page over here that say about. You want to click edit, and you can change the title of your page up here, and you can change what goes inside of your page right here. You can just type that in, whatever you want to say, and you push update page, and now your page will be updated when you visit your site. And then once you visit your site, you'll see that there'll be a little, this stuff will be here. But this featured stuff we're gonna have to change. So let's come back here. Let's finish getting your site prettied up, and you want to click on. Let me go back. You want to click on appearance, and you want to click on featured. Now once you're here, you can add the text that goes on the front page. For example, right here you'll see it says lorem ipsum dolor sit amet. Right here you can see it says the same thing, and this is what goes right there in that header, and this is the text below that. So you type in here what you want those headers to say and the text below it to say, and then once you've done that, you click update options, and then you'll see this option that'll say add an image. You click that add an image option. You go to from URL, or from your computer if you want to upload an image from your computer, and then you just upload the file, either via URL if it's already on the internet, or from your computer, and then push insert into post. I'm going to exit because I already have an image there, and you'll see the image will pop up right here. Then push update options to add another slide, and keep pressing that to add more slides. Every time you add update options, it saves for you, so you don't have to worry about saving. Now once you visit your site, you'll see this text, and this will look pretty again. You are only going to have one page up here because that's the only page you have right now. I'm about to show you how to add more pages. Down here, first, before we do that, I'm going to show you how to add this text and this text to the right. So let's head back there. Let's go back to our pages and edit. And I'm going to go to my about page, which I don't have, but you will. Go to your about page, click edit, and this is where that information shows up. Yes, this is where that information shows up. So this text down here is right here. So this is where you edit all of that text. Then you just edit that and then push update page. I call my page home because this is my home page. You're probably going to want to do the same thing. Push update page, that'll save your changes. And then in order to change this little box to the right, we're going to come over here to appearance, widgets. I'm going to click widgets. And then you're going to take there'll be an option here called text. You want to click that and drag it up to sidebar home. You see I have one up there already, so I'm just going to put that back. And then you want to click that, and you can change the title. I have mine set as announcement. I'm going to change that to announcements plural. And then here you can just type in whatever you want. Now what you want to do is use a little bit of HTML to get this to look right. It's really easy stuff. You just want to push less than P greater than, and then you want to type in whatever you want to type in, blah 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 blah, and then you want to type in less than slash P greater than, and then you can push save, and this will keep it from looking broken and really ugly. This will keep it from ruining the design at all, which is something we really want to stay away from. Now once you save it, this window's not going to close. You're going to have to come back here to visit the site yourself, and you'll see that this has changed. Now the reason mine is going out of the window like that is because I did not press enter at all. Let me push save again, and ta-da! Now that'll be fixed. Now I'm going to show you how to add some pages and edit your pages. You want to come over here to pages and you can click add new. It's as simple as that, ladies and gentlemen. Now once you're here, you want to add as many pages, not as many pages as you want. I think the maximum is 5 or 6. You'll know when you've added too much, because when you go to visit your site, there'll be too many links up here, and some will be down here, and it'll look really ugly. So I think the max is 5 or 6. You just want to type in the name of your page. I'm going to call mine I'm going to call mine new page. Call it whatever you want. And then you want to type in some random text down here. And I'm just going to type in some really just random stuff, because it doesn't really matter what you have up there. And you want to push publish. Now once you've done that, you can click view page. And right here, you'll be able to view your new page. And you'll see, up in your navigation tool, you'll see a new button up here that'll say new page, and you can see all the content in your new page. Now, that you can do to create each of these pages across the top. Now, I'm going to show you how to edit the sidebar that's over here that says new members, which you probably don't have yet. So let's go back. Let's go back to our team site. Let's go to our home page and type in WP admin, or just push back if that's what you have to do to get to our back office. And then you want to come down here to appearance, widgets. Give it some time to load. There we go. So over here to the right, you'll see a section called sidebar page. You just want to click this arrow to the right of it, and then you'll see something that say actually for you there won't be anything there. You want to drag over another text deal there, and then you can edit it just like you did the other one. I called my new members, and I just listed those out, and I used a little HTML in order to put those team members in there. We will make this HTML available for you on the site, and what you want to do is copy one of these dummy names here. Just copy this entire line, and then go to the bottom and just paste another one. And where you see the names, you can add them and change them and whatnot. So save that. and then you come over to visit site, and on each of these pages you'll see to the left that you'll have all those names. So this is your new team site. Enjoy. If you have any questions, be sure to ask them. And remember to go over this video a few times just to make sure you get the gist of how to use everything. Enjoy, everybody. We'll see you.